Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a beautiful bulletin board using simple items like cardboard and some strips of paper. Before we get started, make sure to like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon. So for this, we need a cardboard measuring 18 by 12 inches and some strips of paper measuring 2 inches by 12 inches. Cut it into wavy pattern like this. On one side, cut all the strips. I have taken around 16 strips for this size of board. Now add glue only on 3 sides, not on the upper side where we have cut the wavy pattern. And starting from the top of the board, we will start sticking the strips of paper. 1 inch below, add the second strip, 1 inch below, and continue to stick the strips of paper like this till the bottom of the board. Once this is done, we need 4 strips of paper, of which 2 strips are measuring 18 by 2 inches and 2 strips are measuring 12 by 2 inches. We have to fold all the 4 strips into half and make a crease. Fold all these papers into half and add glue on one flap. You may also add white glue and we have to stick it like this. One flap will face to the front and the other half we have to stick at the back so that we get a nice border to our bulletin board. Repeat the same procedure on all the 4 sides. Okay, now that this is done, let us proceed to add a string to hang the bulletin board. I have taken paper rope. You may take any kind of string for this. Now add a little bit of glue. Stick the string. Stick a small piece of paper to seal this. Repeat the same procedure on the other side. I have taken blue, shades of blue for this. You may take any color you wish. And our bulletin board is ready. Now all you have to do is add the pictures, artwork, stickers between the layers, that is between the paper strips. Hope you liked this week's video. Like, share and subscribe. See you next week. Bye.